Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a glasses case. You can find the link to get the pattern in the description under the video. To make this case you will need the pattern, one piece of cotton fabric measuring 25 by 25 cm for the exterior, one piece of lightweight cotton fabric measuring 25 by 25 cm for the lining, one piece of fusible fleece measuring 25 by 25 cm, about 3 mm thick, one snap button 1 cm in diameter. Fold the outer fabric in half, place the pattern on the fold and cut. Repeat the same step with the lining fabric. Cut out the seam allowance from the pattern. Use the pattern without seam allowance to cut the fusible fleece. Place the fusible fleece on the wrong side of the exterior fabric. Press to fuse it in place. Place the lining and exterior fabric right sides together, aligning the centers. Sew all around with the 1 cm seam allowance, leaving an opening of about 8 cm for turning. Clip the corners and press the seams. Notch the curves and trim the seam allowances all around except along the opening. Turn the piece right side out through the opening. Press carefully to flatten the edges. Top stitch all around at 5 mm from the edge for a neat finish. Using the pattern, mark the placements for the snap button. Attach one side of the snap button to the first mark and the other side to the second mark. Fold the bottom corners of the case toward the sides. Pin in place, then sew 5 mm from the edge. Your glasses case is finished. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media. All of the links are in the description under the video.